Hello, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to download a panel data frame directly from here. That makes it easier to download and you don't need to reshape it after downloading. So before starting, you have to define a work file where you install your database as an Excel file after downloading. So you can use this code or this other code. You give the directory where you want to store your data frame to the command set WYD. Now, the package we use to download that data is the package word development indicator or WDI. So I will load that package as you can see. Now, after loading, we will use the database contents inside that package. That database shows information about service and countries before downloading. So you can have the structure of the database. It's a list of two elements, service and countries. I will choose to see information about service, for instance. So we have WDI. Service will show information about service. As you can see there, we have indicator code and the name of service. We will choose indicator code to download. The name of service gives more information about service or more details. So for that database of information about service, we can have the name of columns. So we have indicators, names, description, and so forth. We can update information about service on the cache. In the cache, we use WYDI cache, and then we update that information. To download the entire World Bank database, we use WY bulk. If we download all information contained in the website of the World Bank. So now we have to download some information about some countries. So we will show how to select a variable or a country and how to download. Here are some code that I've used to select some variables. I will show you how to select something that contains external depth, for instance. So I take the position from the data that gives information about say.
So I'm looking for the word external depth
Inside the column name, so the description of the variable. This code will give those position that contain the external depth, as you can see. Now, I can use that position to show information about all that variables. We have this information. Now we have all these. I will choose to download information about the total external depth of countries. So I will use this indicator code. Other variable has been chosen, such as manufacturing value added and industry value added. Now that those information has been chosen, we have to choose information about countries. So to view information about countries, use the same way, WYDI data. You have the database of countries. You have the ISO 3C code, the ISO 2C code, and the other information about countries. The ISO 2C code will be used to download information, to download our database. So we can store information about countries inside the data frame so that we can select some countries according to other columns. Now let's choose some region and some countries from where to download information about service. We use level information countries from the column region to have all regions. Now we choose some regions where we suppose they have much information about external depth, for instance. You have those regions. Now we use the package tidyverse to select the code of countries according to that regions. So that package allows us to use the command pipe and to select regions that are inside the chosen region, and select also the ISO 2 code and unlist such that the selected column will not be a list but a vector of character. So we have this. Now, after choosing those countries, we will use their code above inside the command WYDI to download our database. Now, we have other information such as variables that we can change their name. As you can see, manufacturing value added according to the code corresponding to that variable and so forth. We choose a starting period and the end, and we use extra to precise the latitude and longitude. That those information according to latitude, longitude, and so forth will be also downloaded inside the database. We use this code to download that data and store inside the variable data. So now that this has been downloaded, we can see what we have downloaded. We have this first ISO 2C for countries, the name of countries, the year, and the other information such as regions, ISO 3C, and so forth. So now we export that data inside an Excel file. We will use OpenXLS to export, and we use the command write to write that data inside an Excel file. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you soon.